people, no be small thing happen for inside UK. You don't read though, they say that a lot of people don't come outside, can't demand make Tinubu go back to Nigeria. He say make King go solve the problem where they for there. As a IPOB, every Biafrans come outside with Heävily protest where they go on. Now watch the videos before we come back and continue.
Papa wey in house the bonfire, either pursue rats. Then be Tinubu. Then they massacre people from Maiduguri. He's here in UK. Shameless vampires. Huh? How can they be massacring people in Maiduguri? And they are here to collect. I are here to collect royal salute. We die here together. Wait, Tinubu. Come and collect your royal disgrace. That's what you deserve. IPOB is here. IPOB, they here. Yes, sir. IPOB is.
Wonders, they say, shall never end, my people. What has not happened before has happened under Tinubu. I bring you updates from United Kingdom. Tinubu is in UK now. He's with Prince Charles. My brothers, my sisters. Tinubu went to UK for 2 days visit, state visit. Do you know that almost all the governors in Nigeria follow Tinubu go UK? Ministers. As me and una they talk now, Aso Rock is empty. All the people were there for Aso Rock, then lock Aso Rock because of 2 days visit. For President Tinubu's state visit to the UK in March 2026, his entourage included Senate President Godswill Akpabio Nuhu Ribadu, Nigeria Security Advisor, and several other ministers. Lateef Ufabemi, even Peter Mba, Idris Mohammed, Dela Alake, Bianca Ojukwu, Jomoke Odowale, Ihanatu. If you see the kind of people we pack, I say half of Nigeria. Sorry, half of the governors, almost the 36 state governors today for UK, including Sanwo-Olu. Peter Mba of Enugu State. I want to explain this thing better for me when I understand the type of mess where we dey inside. Tinubu went for visit. All the state governors, they assembled them, they lined them up for airport, Nigeria airport. Do you people know that the same way when they tell Tinubu bye-bye, the same way when they wave Tinubu goodbye to go to UK, after they finish waving, okay, let me explain. All the governors in Nigeria line up like this. Ministers line up. Commissioners line up. Appointees line up. They told Tinubu bye-bye to UK. Tinubu travel. They enter their own plane. Their own plane. Reach UK. As they reach UK. Tinubu plane now wait. Let the governors and commissioners and ministers, let them come out of the plane. And now stand for line again. Now welcome him in. Usher him. The same set of people wait tell and bye-bye for Nigeria. Now then still go for UK, go tell and welcome. Hey! My people. A lot is happening in Nigeria. Governors. When I see what they go on for Nigeria, right? Governors, including Minister of Defense. Christopher Musa, all of them. The governor of Enugu State, in one of the videos, Tinubu even shunned him. He brought hand for Tinubu to shake him. These guys told Tinubu bye-bye in Nigeria, went to UK to go shake Tinubu. I don't understand this type of... what is really going on? I have seen several videos of Donald Trump traveling to other countries. As he is coming back, not only him they stand. Not only him they come back. Not only him they stand. Nobody they shake Donald Trump. Nobody they hug him. He does not welcome. Nobody welcome him. It's just his two security where they guide him. Tinubu want to go to visit the King Charles in UK. The whole governors, all of them, As I speak now, all the state government houses is empty. Aso Rock, they say they don't lock Aso Rock. If they come back, then go start to the sweep up. Oh yeah. Look at how excited they are. If you see how happy they are that they are going to see Prince Charles. The way all of them just, hey, oh.
The president, has he arrived at the hotel yet?
Yes, the president has just arrived. He arrived about 10 minutes ago. He is already in his hotel room. We all lined up to receive him. He's resting now with the first lady. They are upstairs, and we are downstairs here trying to find where we can break our fast because, as you know, this is Ramadan time, and it's just about the time to break fast now. So the president has arrived, yes, and indeed the scene here is that of persuasive expectation. Everybody here is happy and is excited that the president of Nigeria has come here. And this is a visit, as you all know, for the first one in 37 years and the first one since the return to democracy in 1999. So, so much on the plate, security, economics, a lot of issues to be discussed tomorrow with King Charles, and then on Thursday with the Prime Minister's term here in London. We know that Nigerians are already aware of this. We also know that there is expectation that, of course, the president will get so much out of this visit for the benefit of Nigerians.
Interesting.
Do you see how happy they look? Unanosi said they're very excited. Said they're UK. Akwa Ibom State Governor did. Now, Minister of Information, they talk that way on here. Aso Rock is empty because of 2 days visit. He's just like a girl who gets a new boyfriend newly. New boyfriend. Or woman will just enter marriage newly. They think they sweet her. That is the excitement why they see for their voice. Like with that, now waiting like they hear. What are these governors? What are these people doing in UK? If not to use taxpayers' money. Lavish taxpayers' money. Then go shopping and all of them go carry woman for this visit. Just for them to go carry woman. UK woman. They went to visit, they went to receive Tinubu, they went to do what in the hotel? You did not hear the minister. Yeah, we are in the hotel now. The president is upset with his wife. And all of us psychopaths are downstairs. We are downstairs. The reason is, this is 37 years. Where Nigeria president, since democracy return, I think it's not getting return. 37 years. Where Nigeria president never get state visit from UK. So the thing is very new, it's unique. There must be something good where Tinubu they do. Where make the UK King Charles. Where make King Charles. And they say he's going to meet Ken Starmer. That's UK Prime Minister. Ken Starmer. He go meet with them. And he go meet with the royal entourage. The royal entourage. They are the ones that colonized Nigeria and are then given independence in 1960. Now then keep Nigeria the way Nigeria there. Now them amalgamate UK. And these people will go down. They say, for 37 years. Since 37 years. Since Nigeria returned to democracy. It has never happened. This is history. History is made. History has been made. History has been made. That is why they lock Aso Rock. The record have been broken. Now why the Aso Rock is under lock and key? All the army chiefs, all of them there for UK. Governors, all state governors. Peter Mba is doing his birthday in UK. He go carry woman. The people that say goodbye to the president, the boy, the drug lord, the people who wave and goodbye for airport, Nigeria airport, go to UK airport to go tell her welcome. Like maybe they never see him before. Like it just look like a trophy. I don't understand. It's just like they never see him before. They tell you bye bye, and the same people they tell you welcome. Is it not neutral people? Not be neutral people supposed to receive Tinubu. Not be neutral people where you never see. People where they excited to see him or maybe he's working well. Not be diplomats or ambassadors supposed to receive him. The ones who went there for UK. What are these governors? Like what economic impact is this their visit to UK? What is it? How is it going to translate to better life for ordinary Nigerians? Suffering people. Just to waste taxpayers' money. there is no shop where they no go enter. You see these governors, forget about different shops. They will go and shop. If they shop, they go shop for their girlfriend. They go there for enjoyment. They go there for ngwari. I'm telling you the truth. Have you seen the wickedness of a black person? Okay, Hona? How these people are so evil. Now they colonize Nigeria, but today get light. Israel and America. But the UK get light. Light is there where they. That place where they enter now, Oko not there. But this Prince Charles, I think as not King Charles, you know, go ask Tinubu, why, since we will give you an independence, what do you don't achieve? What have you people achieved? This should be the subject matter of the meeting. But they no say na Akamu them put as president. Who know how many billions of dollars where Tinubu don't give this, don't give UK? Now Nigeria they feed the UK. All the money where they for Nigeria they export them. Go to that country. The people will colonize them. How since we will give you an independence 1960 over 50 years? Why will not get light? Why is there still insecurity? What is this thing we are hearing? But what you hear is commendation. Oh, you are doing well. You are doing fantastically well. Continue your good work. Your work is good. And your work is good. And got our oil. And got our oil in the UK. Your work is very, very good. Oh, now this type of person then they need. Now this type of person, as is anyway. Oh, now the type of person where all those Westerners, oh, they only have person they can easily control. All the governors in Nigeria, they left the government house. Anything where they do now, anything where they do now for Nigeria, may continue to do now. Then there for UK to enjoy. Oh, we are in the hotel. Tinubu lodge for hotel. Now for hotel he lodge. We are in the hotel now. Tinubu is upstairs. His wife is also up. They are resting. After they finish resting, then we'll now sit on the table and dine. While on a day for darkness, they are dining in UK. In a UK. Oh, we went for economy. We went to discuss the way forward. Every day then they go to discuss the way forward of Nigeria. We went to discuss the way forward. We went to discuss the security. We went to discuss this. The same thing. Otoku. They will say it repeatedly. They are coming back empty-handed. Now the one where they get it, then they go give King Charles and UK people. The UK where then they get light. Okoto. And this King Charles, the people who colonize them, no go even care to ask question. This country where we join hands together mode. I want to see on a condition. Which condition on a day now? They will continue praising him. Because that's the type where they like. They will continue eulogizing him. UK, they milk Nigeria. UK. Now this, I say that now them create now. Now they say after 100 years, the vital questions where they're supposed to ask for this meeting, they don't go ask them. We don't reach 100 years. And I'm seeing a lot of crisis. There's crisis. Some set of people say they don't want again. I think let's sit down and talk. Now the same people waiting for Benin artifacts. UK. Now them go to Benin artifacts. Carry over of Benin. Carry over of Benin. Now then defeat Benin. UK. All the artifacts where Benin people use in their hand mode. Now you pretend to steal them. And they don't go ask these questions. Una never suffer us rich. Now UK keep Nigeria where Nigeria dey. Now UK make Nigeria never dey restructured. Now UK make Nigeria never separate. Anytime where somebody will get sense one come, UK go block them. No. This person wants to stop our feeding bottle. This person wants to stop where would they use to feed. If you go for UK, you go think say you dey Nigeria. Every street is Nigeria, and majority of the people were there for London are Yoruba. You know they say the thing where who go welcome to the for UK? Yoruba people. UK na Yoruba na their home will be that. London, anywhere where you took, you go think say you do for Joe Lewa. You will think that you are in. Am I in Ajegule? Ebowuna. Nigeria they too good. All of una travel. Go they look for citizenship in another man's country. But una no go ask question. Una ga judge you. Now the money where we no see. Money where no there for Nigeria. money there for Nigeria, and just that they are stealing it. The politicians are stealing it. They will use money to enter all these designer shops. These governors and ministers, all of them, they enter designer shops. They are going there to shop. They are going there to catch fun. Hey, you know London Bridge now? They go witness the London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down. Then go witness all those things. They will go for sightseeing. They will go for sightseeing. You think they don't know what they are doing? You think they don't know the menace they are creating in Nigeria? As they said this one, they happen for Maiduguri. Immediately, Tinubu entered in this thing, in jet. Ofepo. Ewe. Ofepo. The man don't travel more than Muhammad Buhari. Jubril from Sudan. He don't travel more than 2 days visit. No result. No good thing will come out of it. They will still come back. Oh, we went to visit. We were received. They say we are doing well. You are doing well, but look at the hunger in the streets. You are doing well, but now rice they share. That place where he go down, then they share rice. Are they sharing rice in UK? King Charles, they share rice to UK people. We are doing well, but you are sharing 2 derica of rice for your people. That is what you are giving them as a palliative. And the King Charles no go ask you, you are giving them rice. Are you people at war? I just say when I don't fight war over 60-something years, we are still at war. I cannot. All the governors, all of them. And so now if they are coming back, as then they return back. I know even just said they go return for 2 days, so they will move to another country to extend their vacation. They went for vacation. They went for enjoyment. Vacation. They want to move to another country. Maybe one Iceland. They will just go there, chill. Chill with billions. As they are coming back, Tinubu then go first. Tinubu reach Nigeria, stand for airport. After this, their visit, they move to another country. After the enjoyment, you will hear that the Tinubu extended it to another. There's one economic summit where Tinubu go vacation. They won't use and divert your attention. All the visits where he don't go visit. Oh, we are going for investors. We are going to woo investors. How many where they don't woo come? This woman where you they pursue for more than 10 years, you know they come. You don't go leave them. Woman where you they pursue, whenever green marry you go no say he get something. Maybe you get mouth odor. Maybe you they smell. Maybe you know qualify. Once you are good, you don't need to woo. Their excuse is that these governors are also going there. They are there to woo. How you go carry good markets? Now you go carry the market to they go hawk. Tell people, you have good markets. You they sell something where they're very good. You carry the market for your head. Go another country. Tell them come and buy this market. It's very good. I thought that when market is good, now investors go they troop in. They go even they do competition on who go buy. Who go buy more? How can you carry your manager? How? The governors are going to woo investors. Tinubu they go to woo investors. All the ones where he don't travel go. No single person green invest. The ones where they for Nigeria they pack go. Because once they see the man, once you see somebody, you will not want to have anything to do with Onye Benta. Woo, nothing. Now Nigeria billions, this visit now, they will tell you that over 500 billion naira. Over 1 trillion naira was budgeted for 2 days visit to UK. And Nigeria don't get it right. And sensitive questions will not be asked. Another money wasted. I will always continue reporting news by God's grace. I will continue reporting the news. The same governors will go line up to usher him back. And now them meet for UK. They will usher them back. And they will tell you that the budget for ushering Tinubu back is over 300 billion. To wave Tinubu by 100 billion. To usher him back 500 billion. My brothers and sisters, that is the UK update. This one is happening in March. I bring you this news from United Kingdom. I will continue updating you. Anything will happen for that place. I hear say Prince Charles if they host the Tinubu, then go eat food. I don't know the food when they want it. My own is to continue updating you people. Whatever I see, I bring it to your notice. Thank you for watching.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I beg me share this video. Drop your own opinion in the comment section. You don't read.